guys, welcome to today's lecture. Here we're going to create a very simple Python display area. Let's call this a text py, and first of all we import PySimpleGUI. So we have to do with that PySimpleGUI as SG. Now that is disappeared because we've not imported that terminal. So you come here and you can say new terminal, and here you want to import that. So you can say pip install PySimpleGUI, and then they would import a library for you. And so this should be imported now. Try and save. Okay, we'll redo that again. Import PySimpleGUI as SG. Now you see that has worked now. So in order to create a text area, what you need to do is to first of all create a layout, call it layout, and you equals within this layout you put square brackets and then another square brackets, and because you had mentioned SG, you would actually start each entry for SG, and T stands for text, and then you put brackets here, and you can either use double quotes or single quotes. That is enough for you. You can say hello Earth, okay, and in order to read that, if you try to do anything now, it wouldn't show anything, it would crash. So in order to read what is there, you create something for window equals SG, and then use capital window, that's uppercase, and then you can name your window. Let's name it as my first text, and then you bring in your layout that you had called, so that layout is put within there, and then you can then start to read what is there. So what you can say here is event, okay, sorry, you would start with say while true, something known as while loop. So while things are going on here, it's true, you should read your event values, then equal window read, okay, you close that, and you want to give opportunity for it to close. So you can say if event equals SG when close. This is programmatic connotation. Then of course that is full colon at the end. If the event is SG window close, then you want you have to close. That's called break. And then you window close. Otherwise, the app would behave in a funny way. Okay, good. So let's see what we do here. You come here to run. Let's do debugging so that if there's any error, it will show. And pattern file, and you can see there is your app there. So as it is, it takes the window of what you have created. So here is hello earth. It takes that information and puts it here. If we write something long in that space, it will expand this area. Let's try it. Close that. And let's imagine we're writing a bit longer here, all within the quotation. Sorry. Okay, and then run again. This time without debugging, so you can see that it's quite long now, and you can read it better. Well, this is the basic way to read or create a graphic user interface, just putting in text. We can learn more by trying to put a lot more information within this area. But this is just the beginning, the first stage of doing things. And I hope you understood this clearly. I'll show you again. Once you have the PySimpleGUI module, you import PySimpleGUI as SG, and then you create a layout. Within the layout, there are two brackets, square brackets. Actually, what you can do, you just keep it like that, or make it, if you're going to write more things, make it neater by putting it like that. So a lot more things will appear here. That close bracket is very important to stop the flow. If you want to add more brackets, you can put a comma there, but that's not what we're doing at the moment. And then you create a window using a name. This name can be anything, but we've decided to call the window with a lowercase. And then you put this big window with uppercase SG, remember, and then you put the name of the window. You can call it anything, like I said, but you can say hello app or something. Well, and then you take that layout and put within here. Okay, and you would say that while the events here are true, I should read what is within this place. That is, you say if the event is a window closed, you should break and then close that window. And that is what we have achieved here. Okay, see over here. So we're saying if this is closed, you should close. Gone. Okay. Well, I hope you like that. You can come again for another tutorial. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.